One thing that comes up often is, can I pay back a family member, right? If I'm, there's debts that you owe to your credit cards and loans, but then there's also, family debts. It's very common. You're getting help from family. They expect to be paid back. If you're not paying the other creditors, you don't want to be paying back the family member, okay? Because what you're going to do in that situation is you're going to involve the family member in your personal financial affairs. You need to talk to a bankruptcy attorney to find out if that's a good option for you, but you also should stop paying the family member if you're not paying the other creditors either, because what you're doing is giving a preference to the insider family member. Later on, if you file bankruptcy, you could be kind of shooting yourself in the foot, because a trustee is going to then potentially, depending upon the amount of money involved, sue your uncle because you paid your uncle back, but you didn't pay anybody else back. So you don't want that to happen. Nobody wants, that's the last thing you want, is your family member to get involved in your personal financial affairs. So you just put them on ice and tell them, look, I can pay you later. I'm gonna pay you later. But if I'm not paying my other creditors, I can't pay you back right now because I'm going to be looking at options to discharge my debt in bankruptcy. And if I start paying you back only, then I'm just basically just going to shoot myself in the foot. If I file bankruptcy, then you're going to be roped into the case and they're going to come after you, potentially, depending upon the amount of money involved, okay? There's not going to be situations where your uncle's going to get sued by a trustee for a couple of few $100 payments here and there. But, as the payments get more and higher in amounts, you're going to be involving your family in your personal affairs, and I know you don't want to do that.